In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link ClickUp to Slack, which is a great way to streamline your workflow and keep your team connected. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video, as it really helps me out. All right, let's jump right into it. The first step is to open ClickUp. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar menu. You'll find a variety of options there. What you want to do is click on More. This will bring up additional options, and from there go ahead and select Integrations. This page is where all your integration magic will happen. Now, once you're on the Integrations page, keep an eye out for Slack in the featured list. If you don't see it right away, no worries. You can always use the search bar and just type in Slack. Once you've located Slack, click on it. You'll see the option to connect it, so go ahead and click on Connect. At this point, you need to log into your Slack workspace. Enter your credentials when prompted, and don't forget to click Allow when asked to grant the necessary permissions. This step is crucial as it enables ClickUp and Slack to communicate effectively. After allowing permissions, click Done to finalize the initial connection. And just like that, you've established a basic link between ClickUp and Slack. Now that we have the initial connection sorted out, let's move to the next step: syncing ClickUp activity to your Slack channels. You should still be on the Slack integration settings page in ClickUp. Here, look for the section dedicated to syncing ClickUp activity into channels. Click on Add to begin this process. You'll be prompted to choose a specific ClickUp space, so select the one that pertains to your work. Following that, you'll need to select the corresponding Slack channel where you want those activity updates to post. This allows your team to stay updated without having to constantly check ClickUp. With the sync setup, we can move to customizing notifications in Slack while we're at it. Just navigate to the Notifications Integration section and look for Manage Settings. Here, you'll find various options regarding what notifications you want to receive. You can customize this to fit your needs by checking or unchecking boxes for updates such as task comments, status changes, tasks assigned to you, or descriptions. Tailor your notifications for the most relevant updates to avoid getting bogged down with too much information. Once you've made your selections, don't forget to click Save. Finally, let's talk about linking workspace connections, which is optional but might be useful for you. If you scroll down to the Workspace section, you can manage or add new workspace connections. This ensures that ClickUp maps seamlessly to your team's overall Slack environment, providing an integrated experience for everyone involved. And there you have it. You've successfully linked ClickUp to Slack, allowing you and your team to improve productivity and communication all in one place. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, consider giving a thumbs up and subscribing for more.